beginning exploration of the bottom.
Hot and cold water, its eerie appearance, and its ecosystems are the little that ocean lovers know concerning Mariana Trench discourse. While these are all part of the trench's features, there are many other discoveries found in this water that have made the ocean one of the most discussed and controversial water bodies on Earth. So why is this Mariana Trench so hyped? Well, that's because some of the discoveries found in its depth are just so impossible to imagine. From species dated to over 4 million years to the mysterious sounds oozing from the depths of the Mariana Trench, join us on this voyage as we uncover layer after layer of terrifying discoveries in the Mariana Trench and underwater. Mystery of Oceanic Trench. Oceanic trenches are vast chasms hidden beneath the ocean's surface, and for a very long time, they were one of the least explored and most mysterious places on Earth. These trenches are formed by the interplay of the complex dynamics of our planet. To understand oceanic trenches, we must first grasp the geological processes that create them. Oceanic trenches are the result of a dramatic dance between Earth's tectonic plates. It's more like our planet's outer shell is divided into massive puzzle pieces, known as tectonic plates, which drift atop the semi-fluid layer beneath. At certain boundaries where these plates meet, one plate is thrust beneath the other in a process known as subduction. It is similar to one massive plate slipping beneath another. This subduction process leads to the formation of deep, elongated depressions in the ocean floor, giving birth to oceanic trenches. Imagine a colossal bulldozer gently pushing the oceanic plate beneath, and the resulting trench becomes a testament to this awe-inspiring geological force. Now let's turn our attention to one of the most renowned oceanic trenches on the planet, the Mariana Trench. This subaqueous chasm, located in the Philippines Pacific Ocean, Guam, stands out not just for its mesmerizing depth, but also for the history surrounding its discovery. After years of anticipation, finally, in 1951, the British Royal Navy research ship HMS Challenger set out to explore the Mariana Trench. Before sailing, the scientific community had been curious to know about this trench, and so, when the opportunity finally presented itself, the goal was to dispel this curiosity. Measuring the Mariana Trench was a real challenge. Think of it like trying to find out how deep a super deep hole in the ocean is. The researchers used special tools like echo sounders and sonar to carry out their measurements. These tools sent sound waves into the water. When the sound hit the bottom of the trench and bounced back, scientists timed how long it took. This helped them figure out how deep the trench was. The result was mind-blowing. They found that the trench was incredibly deep, going down to 36,070 feet. But their job didn't stop there. They kept exploring and carefully mapping the shape of the trench. They collected data bit by bit along its length and finally delved into the different zones of the ocean. The surface layer of the ocean is the epipelagic zone, also known as the sunlit zone. This part extends from the surface to about 660 feet in depth of the ocean. Here is where an abundance of sunlight produces illumination into the ocean. The water within this zone is not hot or cold, but a mixture of both. This is because during the day, sunlight heats the water area while the evening light reduces the sun's effect. It's a realm of vivid colors and ceaseless activity, setting the stage for our journey into the trench's depths. Transitioning into the mesopelagic zone, which extends from approximately 660 feet to 3,300 feet, is like leaving behind the fading sunlight and entering a different realm of perpetual twilight. This zone presents an eerie yet captivating atmosphere. This is a part where the camera can capture a glimpse of some bioluminescent organisms in the ocean as they cast their glow in the dimness of the depth. The fascination here arises from the unique adaptations of creatures that thrive in this ethereal half-light, reminding us of nature's boundless creativity. After several trials, scientists just made a terrifying discovery in the Mariana Trench after a deep-sea probe found this next zone, the bathypelagic zone. It spans from about 3,300 feet to 13,000 feet. In this zone, sunlight is completely replaced by midnight-crushing pressure and bone-chilling cold. Aside from the climatic change in the bathypelagic zone, this place is where you start to feel the presence of bizarre inhabitants swimming around you. Sperm whales usually move down to this level of the ocean to look for food. Its food ranges from dark-colored or red fish, which have their pigmentation because of their lack of light. The snake dragonfish also make this place its territory. This infamous creature is widely avoided in the ocean because it can see in the dark by the use of bioluminescence. Leaving the bathypelagic zone for the abyssopelagic zone is like transitioning into the realm of terror. This name of the zone has a Greek origin which means no bottom. The depth of this region has no end, and surprisingly, the water here is super freezing and inhabitable for sea creatures. Presumably, the abyssopelagic zone stretches from 4,000 meters to around 6,000 meters. Unlike other zones, the abyss is similar to a world defined by inconceivable pressure and utter darkness. Because of its dark terrain, scientists had earlier thought that the zone was void of life. However, a more intense exploration showed that life persists here in the form of deep-sea cucumbers, ethereal sea anemones, and other enigmatic organisms. The fascination lies in their ability to thrive against all odds, revealing a hidden tapestry of existence in the ocean's profound depths. Mysterious sounds. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, in the darkest depths of the Mariana Trench, a mystery began to unfold. It was a place where the sun's rays could not penetrate, where the crushing weight of the water above created a world shrouded in secrecy. The year was 2015, and scientists were on a daring expedition to explore the enigmatic trench. The team of intrepid explorers included Sarah Mitchell, a marine biologist renowned for her pioneering research, and Captain James Turner, a seasoned submariner with years of experience navigating the treacherous depths. Their mission was to venture into the trench's abyssal plain, a desolate realm where few had ever dared to go. As the submersible, named Abyss Seeker, descended deeper into the trench, the world outside transformed into an eerie and otherworldly landscape. The water was deep and inky black, and the pressure outside reached mind-boggling levels. It felt as though the very weight of the ocean was bearing down on them. Inside the cramped cockpit of the submersible, Mitchell peered through the thick glass viewport, her heart pounding with excitement and trepidation. Turner expertly maneuvered the craft, inching closer to the trench's bottom. It was a place of profound mystery, and the suspense hung heavy in the air. As they descended, something peculiar began to happen. Faint, eerie sounds reverberated through the water like a ghostly whisper in the deep. Mitchell furrowed her brow, her scientific curiosity piqued. She had heard stories of strange phenomena in the trench, but nothing could have prepared her for this. At one point, the sound grew louder, and it seemed to be coming from all around them. It was as if the very depths of the trench were speaking to them in a language they could not decipher. The suspense was palpable, and the unknown hung over them like a thick fog. Days turned into weeks as the Abyss Seeker continued its descent into the trench. The strange sounds persisted, evolving into a haunting symphony of clicks, whistles, and hums. Mitchell recorded every nuance, every fluctuation in pitch and rhythm. She was determined to unravel the mystery of these enigmatic sounds. One fateful day, as they reached a depth never before explored by humans, the true nature of the Mariana Trench's secrets began to reveal itself. The submersible's powerful lights illuminated a sight that left Mitchell and Turner breathless. Before them, in the barren expanse of the trench's floor, lay a field of massive, bioluminescent creatures. These colossal beings, reminiscent of giant squids, emitted an ethereal glow that bathed the trench in an eerie blue-green light. They moved gracefully through the water, their tentacles undulating with a mesmerizing grace. The realization hit Mitchell like a bolt of lightning. These creatures were the source of the mysterious sounds. They were communicating with each other, creating a symphony of signals and echoes that resonated through the trench. It was a language of the deep, a language that had remained hidden from human understanding until now. The suspense of the moment was overwhelming. Mitchell and Turner watched in awe as the creatures continued their mesmerizing dance. It was a sight that would forever change our understanding of the ocean's depths. As the Abyss Seeker slowly ascended toward the surface, Mitchell couldn't help but reflect on the profound discovery they had made. The strange sounds of the Mariana Trench had led them to a world of wonder and mystery, a world inhabited by creatures of incomprehensible beauty and complexity. In the years that followed, Scientists from around the globe would study these deep-sea inhabitants, striving to decode their language and unlock the secrets of the trench. The suspense of that fateful expedition had given way to a new era of exploration and understanding, reminding us all that even in the most remote and inhospitable corners of our planet, there are still mysteries waiting to be uncovered and stories waiting to be told. 400 million years old species. With each expedition into the Mariana Trench, there's the anticipation of uncovering new and unknown species, behaviors, and geological features, making every journey scientists undertake a potential source of both wonder and terror. This time around, in the profound depths of the Mariana Trench, a creature of eerie beauty and otherworldly features lurks, earning its place as one of the most terrifying discoveries in the abyss. Meet the Longnosed Chimera, or Hariata raligana, an enigmatic denizen of the deep sea that defies conventional understanding and leaves scientists both mystified and awestruck. The long-nosed chimera's appearance alone is the stuff of nightmares. Its elongated snout, reminiscent of a swordfish, stretches eerily before it. This snout, equipped with specialized sensory organs, becomes a formidable tool for the creature's survival. The eerie aspect of its long nose, combined with a mouth lined with sharp teeth, paints a picture of a true oceanic predator. What truly sets this creature apart, however, is its unique adaptation to the abyssal environment. In a realm devoid of sunlight, where pressure can reach crushing extremes, the long-nosed chimera thrives. Its skin, ghostly and translucent, barely conceals the intricate network of blood vessels beneath, granting it a hauntingly beautiful appearance. This adaptation allows it to effectively absorb oxygen from the cold, oxygen-scarce waters of the trench, further emphasizing its extraordinary resilience. But it's not just the long-nosed chimera's looks that make it a terrifying discovery. Its evolutionary history is equally remarkable. These creatures belong to an ancient lineage that traces its roots back some 400 million years, making them true living fossils. To encounter such a relic of the past in the modern age sends shivers down the spines of scientists, evoking a sense of timelessness that few other discoveries can match. As if plucked from the depths of a science fiction novel, the long-nosed chimera exhibits behaviors that add to its mystique. Navigating the inky blackness of the Mariana Trench, it relies on a sophisticated system of electroreceptors, akin to a supernatural sixth sense, to detect the faint electrical signals emitted by its prey. This eerie adaptation allows it to hunt with pinpoint accuracy in a world where traditional senses are rendered useless. The slow growth and reproduction of these creatures only enhance their sense of otherworldliness. With lifespans spanning over a century, they mature late in life and produce only a handful of offspring throughout their existence. This unique life history strategy adds an aura of vulnerability to these creatures, underscoring the critical importance of their conservation. Scientific study of the long-nosed chimera has been a Herculean task due to their remote habitat. With this, researchers have utilized cutting-edge technology, including submersibles and remotely operated vehicles, to capture rare glimpses of these creatures in their natural environment. These efforts have unveiled a trove of data on their behavior, ecology, and role within the complex ecosystem of the Mariana Trench. The long-nosed chimera's existence in the Mariana Trench stands as a testament to the tenacity of life in Earth's most extreme environments. Its terrifying and captivating features, from its haunting appearance to its supernatural hunting abilities, continue to bewilder scientists and deepen our understanding of the enigmatic realm beneath the waves. As we peel back the layers of mystery surrounding this ancient denizen of the deep, we find ourselves face to face with the astonishing wonders and terrors hidden within our planet's oceans, underscoring the urgent need to protect these fragile ecosystems from the impacts of human activity. The Challenger Deep. Beneath the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean lies a place of profound mystery and extreme depths known as Challenger Deep, and it holds the distinction of being the very deepest point within the Mariana Trench. Simply put, if you can imagine a hole so deep that it descends further beneath the sea than any other, you've arrived at the Challenger Deep. This deep-sea realm has fascinated explorers and scientists for decades, offering both allure and peril in equal measure. Its story is an adventure that unfolds in the depths of our planet's oceans. Let's begin our journey into Challenger Deep with a historic dive that took place on January 23, 1960. On this remarkable day, two daring explorers, Don Walsh and Jacques Piccard, embarked on a perilous descent into the Challenger Deep aboard the bathyscaphe Trieste. Picture this. These explorers ventured into a world where the pressure outside their vessel was so immense that it could have crushed them with the weight of about 50 jumbo jets stacked onto a single postage stamp. As they descended into the dark, icy abyss, the temperature plummeted to near freezing, and the only source of light was the dim glow of their onboard equipment. The pressures they encountered could have easily crushed their submersible like a soda can. At every moment, they faced the risk of a catastrophic failure. Yet, driven by their courage and unquenchable curiosity, they pressed on, reaching the very bottom of Challenger Deep and etching their names in the annals of deep-sea exploration. Fast forward to more recent times, and the allure of Challenger Deep still burns brightly. In March 2012, the renowned filmmaker and explorer James Cameron embarked on a historic mission to reach the Challenger Deep in the submersible Deep-Sea Challenger. He became the first person to descend into this abyss in over half a century, reaching depths of approximately 35,797 feet. Cameron's journey was not without its hazards. Challenger Deep is a place of extremes where the pressure is relentless and the cold is bone-chilling. To venture into this abyss, one must possess specialized equipment and unshakable nerves. Nevertheless, the expedition provided valuable insights and data that expanded our knowledge of life in the deep ocean. Now, when it comes to the question of danger, the answer is clear. Challenger Deep is a perilous place for humans without the proper technology and training. Its extreme conditions present significant risks, and only a select few individuals have dared to explore its depths. Despite its remote and challenging nature, Challenger Deep continues to captivate the hearts of scientists and explorers. It represents the edge of human knowledge, a place where the mysteries of the deep ocean are waiting to be uncovered. It serves as a reminder of the vast, uncharted expanses of our planet that remain hidden beneath the waves. Challenger Deep is not just another spot on the map. It's a gateway to a world of extremes and enigmas. It stands as the deepest point in the ocean, a place where nature has fashioned an environment of incredible pressure, frigid cold, and profound darkness. Only a brave few have ventured into its depths, facing extraordinary risks to unlock its secrets. Now, it's time for today's subscriber pick. Scientists just made a terrifying discovery in the Mariana Trench after a deep-sea probe found this heavy metallic relic. Beneath the pitch-black expanse of this oceanic chasm, this is a sentinel from the depths of time. This silent witness to the abyssal darkness has stood immobile for an eternity, defying the relentless forces of nature. One can't help but wonder about the origin of this metallic behemoth. Was it a forgotten artifact of an earlier era of exploration, a relic dropped into the abyss by intrepid adventurers who once dared to explore these fathomless depths? The chilling depths of the trench keep their secrets well guarded. The merciless grip of the Mariana Trench's harsh weather and relentless pressure, unforgiving in their embrace, may have transformed this once functional marvel into a ghostly monument of the deep. Its original purpose, long lost to time, remains shrouded in mystery. As we contemplate this enduring enigma, we are reminded of the unforgiving and awe-inspiring power of the ocean's depths. We'd like you to have a deep look at this image. What does it look like? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Devil Anglerfish. Scientists just made a terrifying discovery in the Mariana Trench after a deep-sea probe found this rare, strange resident known as the Devil Anglerfish. It was a revelation that sent shivers down the spines of those who stumbled upon this eerie creature. Now, let's embark on a journey to unravel the secrets of the Devil Anglerfish, starting with when it was first encountered. The Devil Anglerfish was first discovered in the early 19th century. At this time, the Mariana Trench, where this creature resides, was an undiscovered realm beneath the vast Pacific Ocean. It was a mystery that captivated the imagination of explorers, waiting to be unveiled. It wasn't until the Challenger expedition in 1951 that the trench's full dimensions and secrets were revealed, with its deepest point aptly named Challenger Deep. Currently, sea devil anglerfish has emerged as one of the trench's most enigmatic inhabitants. Scientifically referred to as Melanocetus johnsonii, this is one small-sized creature. It measures merely 20 centimeters in length, but despite its small size, sea devil anglerfish possess adaptations that make it a formidable predator in the abyssal depths of the Mariana Trench. This creature has long been underwater touring different parts of the Mariana Trench. But the reason this is just coming into the limelight is because scientists utilized cutting-edge deep-sea probes to explore the trench's depths. This discovery was a momentous occasion, capturing the attention of researchers worldwide. It also marked a significant milestone in our understanding of life in the deep sea. Although it already has an odd look that defies our image of sea creatures, the sea devil anglerfish has a more bizarre feature. One of these is the fish's bioluminescent lure, which dangles above its menacing mouth. This glowing bait serves a dual purpose. First, it lures unsuspecting prey into the absolute darkness of the trench, which natural light never reaches. Also, it acts as a haunting beacon, signaling the presence of this fearsome predator. Another thing that truly sets the sea devil anglerfish apart is its extraordinary mating behavior. In the depths, where finding a mate is a daunting task, the male anglerfish has evolved a unique strategy. He becomes a permanent attachment to the larger female, effectively merging with her. This ensures that when it's time for reproduction, the male is always nearby, ensuring the survival of their species. After more careful observations, scientists were also able to discover the unique predatory skills of this sea devil anglerfish. In this harsh Mariana Trench environment, where food is scarce, this species has perfected the art of the ambush. Its glowing lure entices unsuspecting prey, and when they venture too close, the anglerfish strikes with astonishing speed, securing its meal in the blink of an eye. It's a testament to the brutal realities of survival in the abyssal depths. Underwater volcanoes. Underwater volcanoes within the Mariana Trench are captivating phenomena, and understanding their existence and behavior requires delving into the geological intricacies of this unique region. The Mariana Trench itself is a testament to the relentless movement of Earth's tectonic plates, where the Pacific Plate and the smaller Mariana Plate converge. This convergence sets the stage for the birth of underwater volcanoes. As the Pacific Plate plunges beneath the Mariana Plate, it enters a realm of extreme heat and pressure deep within the Earth's mantle. Here, rocks melt, which then produces magma, a fiery, molten mixture. The magma, being less dense than the surrounding rock, seizes the opportunity to rise, propelled by its heat and buoyancy. This ascent marks the inception of the underwater volcanic drama beneath the ocean's surface. Scientists observed that the eruptions in the Mariana Trench are unlike the iconic towering volcanoes we are familiar with. These eruptions give birth to what are known as black smokers. These hydrothermal vents, rather than spewing lava, emit superheated mineral-rich water into the ocean's depths. The term black smoker is a fitting description, as these vents create towering plumes that appear as chimneys of murky smoke rising from the abyss. These unique geological features are anything but ordinary, and their formation and persistence are shrouded in chemical complexity. The chemical magic of black smokers unfolds fascinatingly. The surrounding waters in the trench are frigidly cold, but when they encounter the scalding hot magma, a chemical transformation takes place. The magma's intense heat causes minerals from the surrounding rocks to dissolve into the water, creating a mineral-rich cocktail. As this superheated water surges upward, it carries these dissolved minerals with it, akin to an underwater alchemical process. When this scorching mixture finally exits the black smoker's chimney and encounters the icy ocean environment, something remarkable occurs. The rapid cooling of the water causes those dissolved minerals to precipitate out of the solution and solidify. The result is the formation of towering chimneys that can reach remarkable heights in the dark abyss. These black smokers are not just geological curiosities, they play a crucial role in the ocean's chemistry and biology. The chemicals spewed forth by these vents include not only minerals but also essential nutrients for life in the deep ocean. Iron, for example, is a critical nutrient for tiny organisms at the base of the ocean's food chain. The presence of black smokers creates hotspots of biological activity, where unique communities of creatures have adapted to thrive in this extreme environment. It's a stark reminder that life can flourish even in the most challenging and unexpected corners of our planet. Plastic pollution. The unsettling reality of plastic pollution extends even to the profound depths of the Mariana Trench, a place previously thought to be untouched by human influence. This poignant discovery, a testament to the far-reaching consequences of our actions, has drawn attention from scientists and environmentalists worldwide. While the issue was prominently highlighted in 2019 by researchers from the University of Newcastle during their Mariana Trench expedition, the problem of plastic waste in the deep ocean is more extensive and deeply intertwined with our global ecosystem than initially realized. The journey to uncover this plastic waste began in 1960 when Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh descended into the trenches deep. In recent times, subsequent expeditions, including those involving renowned institutions like the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration and various international teams, have sought to unlock the secrets of this extreme environment. However, the disturbing revelation of plastic pollution in the Mariana Trench isn't confined to a single study. Over the years, scientific endeavors have stretched across the globe, encompassing various remote and challenging locations. These expeditions aimed to uncover the extent of plastic pollution in the world's oceans and included places such as the Sargasso Sea in the North Atlantic Ocean, the Great Australian Bight, and the Arctic Ocean. The Sargasso Sea, a region bounded by ocean currents and renowned for its vast floating mats of sargassum seaweed, has been a focus of research due to its unique ecology. Here, plastic debris accumulates in alarming quantities, posing a threat to marine life, including sea turtles and seabirds. Scientific missions, led by institutions like the Ocean Cleanup and supported by marine organizations such as Ocean Conservancy, have sought to quantify and mitigate the plastic pollution in this critical area. On the opposite side of the globe, the Great Australian Bight has also garnered attention for its pristine coastal beauty and rich marine ecosystems. However, studies conducted by the Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organization and local environmental groups have revealed concerns about levels of plastic pollution washing ashore, raising concerns about the impact on the region's marine life and coastal communities. In the Arctic Ocean, where the impacts of climate change are most acutely felt, the issue of plastic pollution adds another layer of complexity to the region's challenges. Expeditions led by researchers from the Alfred Wegener Institute have discovered microplastics even in the Arctic's remote and icy waters, demonstrating the global reach of this environmental crisis. The Mariana Trench, though the most remote and inaccessible of these locations, is not an isolated case. It is part of a broader pattern of plastic pollution affecting oceans worldwide. The sources of these microplastics are multifaceted, stemming from both land-based and marine activities. Coastal communities, shipping routes, and fishing industries all contribute to the problem, emphasizing the need for global cooperation in addressing this pressing issue. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.